Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these BERIBES wireless headphones. So let's take a look, let's see exactly what comes in the box, and we're going to see how they sound. So here's what's in the box. Here's what the headphones look like. Okay, that feels really, really soft. These rotate and they kind of bend inwards like that. Both sides can bend inwards for storage. Yeah, that's kind of really soft right up there. I like the big left and right. We got a cable and a manual. Okay, so this is like an audio jack for headphones. You can use these wired, so you can plug this in here and plug this into your phone or something and listen to it audio, and it is wireless. You are going to need a charger. So plug the other end of this into a wall charger, and then you are going to have to, this is USB-C, you can plug it in either way. And there's a little light there to let you know that it's charging. Actually, it's over here on this side. That lets you know that it's charging. Okay, so you can adjust both of these, pull in and out like that. Again, very soft. You can open them up. Let's go over all the buttons. Okay, so that's the multi-function button. That's your volume buttons, headphone jack, charging, LED light. No, the LED light's there. That's the microphone. Over here on the other ear, we've got an equalizer button. Okay, to pair it, you're going to hold that multi-function button for 2 seconds, and it's going to start alternating. It's going to start flashing, alternating red and blue. So again, let's hold this. Okay, so at first it did say off, but then it does say pairing now. If you look really close, it is alternating. Now, if you look in your Bluetooth settings, you're going to find it right there. Okay, so they paired really easy to my phone. I've got volume buttons. It speaks to you very softly into the ears what you're doing. And the equalizer button, it cycles through different like rock, speaking, and it changes the equalizer according to what you're listening to. Yeah, and there's the exact pairing instructions. Press and hold the multifunction button until the indicator flashes blue and red, alternating to enter pairing mode. Turn your Bluetooth on and connect to WH202A. There's the different equalizers. You got pop, rock, vocal, jazz, bass, and classic. And there's the charging indicator. After 2.5 hours, it'll go solid blue to let you know that it's charged. And you should use a 5-volt, 1-amp output. There's the specs on the battery. It says it will run up to 65 hours. Okay, let's do some measurements. Okay, so with it all the way extended, you know, from the top, you got about 6.5. With them expanded all the way, you know, you get about almost 9.5. I did have to extend them all the way from my head. And then with them all the way short, it's about 5 inches there. Overall, over the ears, about 3.25 that way and about 4 inches that way. Again, just super soft material. I like that they say left and right. They're super easy. They fold up. You know, they're going to fold up very, very nice and easy. Either way, you can fold them up. So with them all folded up, you're looking at about 6.5 by about 4.5 that way. So I hope this unboxing review and how to set up video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.